What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Oh My God by Alec Benjamin. If you're new here, click that subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner of this video, as well as the notification bell, that way you never miss a new tutorial. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar, along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video. I get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay guys, this song is in standard tuning and you're going to capo up to the first fret. It's only using a few different chords that you're strumming through, and there is a very easy picking pattern that I'm going to show you guys. If you need the guitar chord diagrams, you can find them in the free ebook that's in the video description. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days, as well as the guitar tab that I made for you that will be down there as well. If you need either of them, jump into the description. Once you get done, they're there for you. So starting with the picking, it's very simple. You're going to be in this kind of G major formation, and you're just going to have your middle finger on the 3rd fret of the low E and your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the B string. And you're just picking both of those at the same time. I'm using my thumb on the low E and my ring finger on the B string. Next, E minor, you're just going to take your middle finger off and just leave your ring finger right there on that same string on the 3rd fret of the B. Pick the low E and the B again. Next, you're going to a D chord. I put my index finger on the 2nd fret of the G. You don't have to, because all you're plucking is the D string and the B string. I just kind of do it out of habit, but you don't have to either way. You're just picking the D open with your thumb, and your ring finger's picking that B string again, still on the 3rd fret. And that's getting picked twice. So from the top, it looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's the picking that pretty much just repeats throughout the entire song. Now I'm going to show you the chords and how to strum through them. Now there are 3 chords that just repeat throughout the majority of the song, and then after the second chorus there is a little bit of a bridge that has an extra chord in there. I'm going to show you both of them, but this first strumming pattern and chord progression is going to be what plays through pretty much the entire song. You're starting with a G major, and it's going to be 3, 2, 0, 0, 3, 3. Ring finger or middle finger on the 3rd fret of the low E. Index finger on the 2nd fret of the A string, ring finger on the 3rd fret of the B string, and pinky finger on the 3rd fret of the high E string. Next up is going to be E minor. You can play it as a traditional E minor this way, but for the song, I'm keeping my ring and my pinky finger on the 3rd fret of the B and the E string, and I'm putting my index finger on the 2nd fret of the A and my middle finger on the 2nd fret of the D. And then finally, a D major chord. It's going to be, technically, I am grabbing the 2nd fret with my thumb there on the low E. You don't have to do that, but if you can, by all means, it just makes the chord kind of more full. But if not, then just don't play that E string, and then play open, open, index finger on the 2nd fret of the G string, ring finger 3rd fret B string, and your middle finger on the 3rd fret of the high E string. And then finally, once you get to the bridge, you are going to need to know A major. It's just 0, 0, 2, 2, 2, 0. Middle finger 2nd fret on the D string, ring finger 2nd fret G string, pinky finger 3rd fret or 2nd fret on the B string. Now, chord progression for the majority of the song is G, E minor, and D. And the strumming pattern is very simple. It's just down, 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 up, 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 down, down, gonna show you guys how to play the little bridge. It's very simple. It just repeats twice and it just single strums these chords. You single strum E minor, and then D, and then G, and then A, and then it repeats, except you don't play the A, you just let the G ring out. So E, D, G. So all together it looks like and then that jumps right back into the original chord progression. So one more time. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Now, the way the giveaways are going to work is each month I'm going to pick 2 winners. One is going to receive a guitar accessories kit that has a capo, a guitar strap, guitar picks, everything that you need in there as a beginner. And the second winner is going to win a free t-shirt from my Billy Schultz Music merch site. And then once the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'm going to be picking one of you lucky winners to receive a free brand new acoustic guitar. Now, all you have to do to enter the giveaways is like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and leave a comment down below for a song that you want me to teach you on guitar. Now, turning on notifications is extremely important because each month I'm going to be live streaming the monthly giveaways, and then once I do the guitar giveaway, I'm going to live stream that as well, and to get notified, you gotta have those notifications turned on. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at billyshultzmusic. The more that I see you guys, the more it's going to increase your chances of winning one of these prizes. Thank you guys so much. I can't say it enough. I appreciate all the support and I appreciate all the love, and I can't wait to give away these prizes. So keep liking, subscribe to the channel, turn on those notifications, keep putting those comments down below, and I will see you guys in the next video.